Hi, Brenda from the Care Plan. I want to talk more about Wish, Worry, Wonder. Nancy touched on it and how we use it with anxiety. Nancy and I have both had advanced communication training through the Providence Institute for Human Caring, and it's run by Ira Block. And where we learned the Wish, Worry, Wonder was from Dr. Susan Block. And Wish, Worry, Wonder is a way to say some really difficult things that you just don't know how to say. And so I think that I'm going to give you some examples of ways to use it. I'm going to start with a bad example. Mom, you have to take your medications. You're going to get sick. You have to do it. That is coming from a place of concern, worry, love. But what it's being received as is, I am losing so much already, not going to do it. Here's where Wish, Worry, Wonder comes in. Oh, Mom, I wish you didn't have to take all these medications. I know you really dislike it. I do worry that you don't feel as good when you don't take them regularly. And I wonder if we can come up with a system to help you take them it's more palatable to you. And that's a huge difference just to how we phrase that. Families come to me and often say, I think he's going to die soon, and he's still trying to do everything on his own, or he wants to go to Florida. And you can't just say, you're dying, you can't do that. It's too harsh. And another way of saying is, oh, I really wish this wasn't happening, and I wish your body wasn't getting weaker. I really wish you could go to Florida. I do worry that your time is short. And I wonder if you can think about how it is you really want to spend the time left that you have. I wish you could do all of it, but I wonder if you could prioritize to do what's important. Nancy and I were teaching in a seminar once and talking about Wish, Worry, Wonder, and this gal raises her hand and says, it just worked on my husband on text. And my husband's figured this one out a long time ago, so I don't use it on him so much. But it does work really well to say those difficult things. And the beauty of it is it doesn't have to go smoothly. Just by using those words, wish, worry, wonder, even if you blunder, softens the edges and makes it easier to hear. So thank you to the Providence Institute for Human Caring for teaching us this skill, and we use it a lot, and I hope that you find it helpful too. Please visit us at thecareplan.net.